The Lost Bag and the Long Day. Hello. This is a simple story. The words are easy. The story is calm and clear. This story is about a young man. It is about work. It is about honesty. It is about becoming stronger inside. There was a young man named Leo. Leo was 25 years old. He lived in a small coastal town. The town was near the sea. The sea was blue on good days. On bad days, it was gray and loud. Leo lived alone in a small room. The room was above a small cafe. It was cheap. It was quiet at night. Leo did not have a big job. He worked as a delivery man. Every day, he delivered food in small packages. He used a small motorbike. The motorbike was old, but it worked. Leo's life was simple. He woke up early. He worked all day. He came home tired. Sometimes he felt bored. Sometimes he felt lost. He often asked himself, "Is this my life forever?" But every morning, he still woke up. He still worked. He still tried. Leo was a quiet person. He did not talk much. But he observed a lot. He watched people. He listened to the sea. Every morning, Leo woke up at 6. He washed his face. He drank water. He did not eat much breakfast. Sometimes just bread. Sometimes nothing. Then he went downstairs. He started his motorbike. He checked his phone for orders. "Okay," he said quietly. "Let's start." Leo delivered many things. Hot food. Cold drinks. Small boxes. Some customers were kind. Some were rude. Some did not look at him. Leo did not complain. He just did his job. One morning, Leo received a big delivery. It was a black bag. The bag was heavy. The address was far. Very far. Leo looked at the map. He sighed. "It's okay," he said. "I can do it." He put the bag on the bike. He started riding. The road was long. The sun was hot. After 30 minutes, Leo stopped. He drank water. He wiped his face. Then he continued. When he arrived, he saw a big house. The gate was high. He rang the bell. No answer. He rang again. Still no answer. Leo checked the address. It was correct. He waited. After a few minutes, a man came out. "Yes?" the man said. "I have a delivery," Leo said. The man looked at the bag. He nodded. "Leave it there," the man said. Leo hesitated. "I need a signature," Leo said. The man looked annoyed. He signed quickly. Leo left the bag. He turned his bike and left. After 10 minutes, Leo stopped again. He felt something strange. The back of the bike felt light. Leo turned his head. The bag was gone. His heart dropped. "What?" he said. He stopped the bike. He got off. The bag was not there. Leo's mind became empty. The bag was important. It was expensive. Leo felt cold. He thought quickly. He remembered stopping to drink water. He remembered a small shop. He turned the bike around. He rode fast. His hands were shaking. When he arrived at the shop, he looked around. No bag. He asked the shop owner. "Did you see a black bag?" Leo asked. The owner shook his head. Leo felt panic. What do I do? He thought. He could lose his job. He could lose money. He sat on the bike. He took a deep breath. Think, he said to himself. He rode back along the road. Slowly. He looked left. He looked right. Nothing. Then he saw something near the road. A black shape. He stopped. It was the bag. It was open. Leo ran to it. Inside were papers. A wallet. A phone. Nothing was missing. Leo felt relief. He sat on the ground. He breathed deeply. I'm lucky, he said. But then he thought again. The bag was open. Anyone could take it. Leo closed the bag. He looked at the address again. He rode back to the house. When he arrived, he rang the bell. The man came out again. Yes? The man said. I'm sorry, Leo said slowly. The bag fell. I found it. Nothing is missing. The man looked surprised. Oh, he said. Thank you. He looked inside the bag. Everything was there. You could leave, the man said. Leo hesitated. I want to say sorry, Leo said. It was my mistake. The man looked at Leo carefully. Then he smiled a little. Thank you for coming back, he said. Many people would not. Leo nodded. He left. As he rode away, Leo felt something new. He felt tired. But he felt proud. The day continued. Leo delivered more packages. He was more careful. He checked everything twice. In the afternoon, it started to rain. The road became slippery. Leo rode slowly. He was cold and wet. At one delivery, a woman opened the door. She looked worried. I am late, she said. My food is cold. Leo bowed his head. I'm sorry, he said. The woman looked at his wet clothes. She sighed. It's okay, she said. Please be safe. She closed the door. Leo stood there for a moment. People were not always bad. At night, Leo went home. He was very tired. He sat on his bed. He looked at the ceiling. He thought about the bag. He thought about the man. He thought about honesty. It was hard, he said quietly. But it was right. The next day, Leo woke up tired. But he felt different. He felt more awake inside. At work, his manager called him. Leo, the manager said. Yesterday, a customer called. Leo's heart beat fast. He said you returned an important bag. The manager said. He was thankful. Leo was surprised. The manager continued. Good job. We need people like you. Leo nodded. Thank you, he said. That day, Leo worked with more care. He smiled more. Days passed. Leo's life did not change suddenly. He still lived in a small room. He still rode the same bike. But inside, he was different. He felt more confident. He trusted himself more. One evening, Leo walked by the sea. The sun was setting. The sky was orange. Leo sat on a rock. He listened to the waves. He thought about life. He was not rich. He was not famous. But he was honest. He was responsible. That is something, he said. Weeks later, Leo helped a new worker. The new worker was young and nervous. Be careful, Leo said. Always check your bags. The young worker nodded. Thank you, he said. Leo smiled. He became someone others could learn from. One day, Leo lost another package. But this time, he noticed quickly. He stopped. He checked. He fixed the problem. He did not panic. He learned. Years passed. Leo became a senior worker. He trained others. He worked calmly. Sometimes he still felt tired. Sometimes he still felt unsure. But he knew one thing. Doing the right thing matters. Even when it is hard. Even when no one sees. Leo still walked by the sea. He still listened to the waves. Life was not perfect. But it was honest. And that was enough. Mistakes happen. Fear happens. But honesty builds strength. Small right choices create a strong life.